Why do 30% of tech enthusiasts love experimenting with Chrome OS Flex on VirtualBox? Let's dive in and find out. Chrome OS Flex isn't officially supported on VirtualBox. Google actually recommends using Qemu for virtualization, but some users have found workarounds to make it work on VirtualBox. First, you'll need to create a restore USB using the Chrome OS Recovery utility. Plug this USB into your VirtualBox machine. Next, try connecting using raw disks or a VMDK description file. Alternatively, you can attempt to create an ISO from the thumb drive. Another workaround is to install Cloud Ready in your VirtualBox. Get that set up, and then try installing Chrome OS Flex on top of that. Lastly, ensure your EFI boot options are correctly configured. With these steps, you might just get Chrome OS Flex running on VirtualBox. Remember, these methods aren't guaranteed and you might face issues like boot failures or graphics glitches.